Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively play Kapkan in Rainbow Six Siege. Kapkan is a master of area denial, using his 5 entry denial devices to surprise and eliminate attackers. These tripwire traps are placed on doorways and windows, detonating when an enemy crosses their laser. Each device inflicts 60 damage, which can be devastating for unsuspecting opponents. Strategic placement is key to maximizing their impact and securing crucial kills for your team. To truly excel with Kapkan, smart trap deployment is essential. Instead of clustering all 5 traps in one spot, spread them out across various entry points and potential flanking routes. Concealing your devices on the darker side of door frames makes them much harder for attackers to spot. Remember, a trap detonation provides valuable sound cues, giving you intel on enemy positions and allowing your team to react swiftly. Kapkan's 2-speed and 2-armor rating makes him a versatile operator, capable of both anchoring and roaming. Leverage his mobility to flank unsuspecting enemies and quickly reposition after firefights. His traps also serve as an early warning system. A detonation signals enemy presence and often leaves them significantly damaged. Communicate with your teammates to push these injured attackers, turning your traps into direct assists or eliminations. Attackers will try to counter your traps by shooting them or using explosives. To stay effective, place your entry denial devices in less obvious, high-traffic areas rather than just objective entrances. If your traps are being destroyed too easily, adapt by repositioning them to unexpected locations. Additionally, Kapkan comes equipped with 2 impact grenades, which are excellent for creating new rotation holes or opening up unexpected lines of sight, further enhancing your defensive capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.